Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. So if you are facing the same issue, I will show you how to fix this. First of all, just tap and hold on this Instagram icon and then go for this app info and then you have to tap on this storage, go for this clear data and tap on this clear cache and now clear the data as well. After that, go back and tap on this app permissions and just make sure to allow all the permissions you have. If you have any permissions are not allowed, just make sure to allow them and then go back and then open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and in the search bar just search for Instagram and just make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make sure to update and then open it up and log into your account, and as you can see the problem has been fixed. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.